Diddy's attorneys are vigorously challenging a series of new allegations, including the claim of a second victim in the highly controversial case surrounding the rapper's alleged involvement in a sex trafficking operation. The 55-year-old music mogul, whose legal name is Sean Combs, was arrested on September 16, 2024, in New York City on charges of sex trafficking, racketeering, and various other offenses related to the operation of a large-scale trafficking network. Following his arrest, Combs was detained at the Metropolitan Detention Center (MDC) in Brooklyn, New York, as he awaits further legal proceedings. Since that time, Combs' defense team has been working tirelessly to discredit the accusations leveled against him, asserting that the case is built on shaky foundations and relying on faulty evidence. According to a legal filing made on Friday, which was obtained by TMZ, Diddy's lawyers vehemently denied the existence of a second victim involved in the ongoing investigation. The lawyers claimed that these new accusations added to the growing list of allegations against the rapper are entirely unfounded and based on falsehoods. These claims surfaced as part of a broader set of accusations related to Combs' alleged involvement in running a sex trafficking network that spanned multiple states. The original indictment, which was filed after the rapper's September arrest, referred to a single, unnamed victim, and many speculated that this individual could be Diddy's former long-term girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, a well-known model and singer. Cassie, who was in a highly publicized relationship with Combs for over a decade from 2007 until their breakup in 2018, had previously filed a civil lawsuit against the rapper in November 2023, accusing him of sexual abuse, coercion, and emotional and physical mistreatment during their time together. Her claims included allegations of rape, assault, and threats made by Combs over the course of their tumultuous relationship. After filing the lawsuit, Cassie reached a confidential settlement with Combs, agreeing to resolve the matter outside of court. The terms of the settlement were not made public, but both parties reportedly agreed to a swift and amicable conclusion. Despite the confidentiality agreement, the case has resurfaced with more serious criminal charges. Diddy's legal troubles were exacerbated when the indictment came down in September, following months of intense investigation by the authorities. The rapper was arrested in connection with the ongoing probe, which now includes charges related to racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking. Since his arrest, Combs has steadfastly denied all the allegations, insisting that he has never assaulted or coerced anyone. His defense attorneys have consistently maintained that these claims are part of a broader conspiracy to ruin his reputation and extort money from him. In their latest court filing, Combs' attorneys argued that the allegations of a second victim, someone who was purportedly involved in the alleged trafficking operation, are entirely false. The defense team insists that this second alleged victim is not, in fact, a victim at all. They pointed out that this woman has never been interviewed by law enforcement, nor has she been involved in any criminal activities connected to Combs. Furthermore, Diddy's lawyers emphasized that the woman was not part of the purported trafficking scheme, and they accused the prosecution of deliberately withholding important facts during the initial bail hearings, creating an inaccurate portrayal of the case. According to the defense, the government misrepresented the facts in an effort to strengthen its case and secure Combs' continued detention. In the filing, the defense refers to Cassie as Victim 1, which seems to reaffirm speculation that she may be at the center of the allegations involving Combs. According to Combs' legal team, the relationship between him and Cassie spanned over 11 years, and it was only after their breakup that she began to make allegations against him. The defense also claimed that the lawsuit filed by Cassie in 2023 was not part of a criminal investigation initially, but was rather an attempt by Cassie to extort Combs for a significant sum of money, reportedly around $30 million. The defense argued that Cassie's sudden public accusations, combined with her demand for a large financial settlement, raised questions about the legitimacy of the charges against Combs and suggested ulterior motives behind her actions. Alongside the legal battle with Cassie, Combs is facing multiple legal challenges, including new charges stemming from a separate lawsuit filed by a 13-year-old girl. The young girl claims that Combs sexually assaulted her at a party, and her lawsuit alleges that the rapper aggressively approached her and made unwanted sexual advances. She also claims that Combs and an unnamed female celebrity were present when another male celebrity allegedly raped her. These new allegations, which surfaced during the rapper's ongoing legal issues, have added more complexity and controversy to the case, particularly since the timing coincided with public reports of Combs' involvement in a public altercation with Jennifer Lopez at another high-profile event. While these new lawsuits and allegations have intensified the media frenzy surrounding Combs, his legal team continues to assert that the charges against him are baseless. They describe the accusations as part of a coordinated effort to generate negative publicity and financial gain at his expense. The defense remains confident in its position that Combs will be exonerated of all charges once the facts are fully presented in court. The legal proceedings have also shed light on Diddy's mental and physical health while incarcerated. As a high-profile inmate, he is under constant observation, with prison experts noting that his well-being is being closely monitored by psychiatric teams. Larry Levine, a prison consultant and expert, recently discussed Combs' case on a podcast, revealing that the rapper receives multiple daily visits from psychiatric professionals to assess his mental state. Although he is not officially on suicide watch, reports indicate that these visits are intended to ensure he remains stable while facing the intense pressures of the legal system. Levine also mentioned that Combs is granted certain privileges during his time in custody, including extra showers, although the specific details of these accommodations remain unclear. While these reports of Combs' treatment in prison have garnered attention, Diddy's attorneys have dismissed any speculation regarding his health, claiming that their client is in good spirits in receiving the care he needs. They emphasize that the defense team is focused solely on the legal aspects of the case and is working diligently to ensure a fair trial for Combs, free from outside distractions or media interference. Despite the serious charges against him, Diddy's family has been a strong source of emotional support. The rapper's children, including his son Justin Dior Combs, 30, and his twin daughters, D. Lila and Jessie, 17, have been seen visiting him and showing their unwavering support. During a recent phone call, Diddy's children sang happy birthday to him, which was a moment of respite amidst the turbulence. His 2-year-old daughter Love was also present during the call, offering her father some comfort in what is undoubtedly a difficult time for the family. However, Diddy's 18-year-old daughter Chance was not on the call, raising questions about her involvement or lack thereof in the ongoing situation. As the case moves forward, Combs' defense team remains resolute in their belief that the rapper is innocent of all charges. They have filed a motion for bail, proposing a $50 million bond as part of a comprehensive package that would ensure Combs does not flee or intimidate potential witnesses. The defense team also proposes that Combs be placed under 24-hour surveillance to monitor his movements and communications. However, the prosecution has continued to argue that Diddy poses a significant flight risk and remains a danger to the community, particularly given the high-profile nature of the case and the wealth and resources that Combs possesses. The rapper's legal situation remains fluid, with more filings expected in the coming weeks. As of now, Diddy's fate hangs in the balance. His legal team is confident in their ability to present a compelling defense and to challenge the various allegations made against him. Meanwhile, the public continues to watch as the case unfolds, with the implications for Combs' career, personal life, and reputation potentially being profound. With mounting public attention and multiple legal battles on his hands, Diddy's legal team is fully committed to ensuring that he receives a fair trial, and they continue to work relentlessly to clear his name. While the outcome of this case remains uncertain, one thing is clear: Diddy is facing a difficult and high-stakes legal battle, with serious consequences hanging in the balance. As the case progresses, the public's perception of the music mogul will undoubtedly continue to shift, and the rapper's future both in his personal life and in his career could be dramatically altered by the outcome of the trial.